Welcome live. Machine. Welcome live. Tap the screen, leave a like there. Yeah, my name is Augustine. Tap the screen, leave a like there. No one. Tap the share the live. Let me check. Yeah, that's why I can just go work, man. Hey, tap the screen, leave a like there. Manzi. Aya, niko na kawanchoni. Hii inaweza kwenda nyumbani. Naweza kwenda Lira. Yeah, leave a like there, tap the screen. Share the live. I don't have something, man. I'm broke, manzi. I am broke. I don't have anything. See, I am broke. Even my freezer. See. I am broke. Very thoroughly. Wow. I am broke very thoroughly, manzi. Hey. Mimi broke you very thoroughly. I'm just broke. I don't have anything. Well, let me even. We mimi nakuwa nimesort. I am broke very thoroughly, manzi. See my cats here. Let me show you my cats. Zinapanuka tu. Zakaria. Brownie. Zakaria. Brownie. Brown is a boy and this is a female. Do you see? This is a female and this is a boy. Is a female. Male, female. Zakaria just respond. Diva just say Zakaria. Brownie. Zakaria. Brownie. 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 Zakaria, greetings. The greetings are, let me greeting. The greeting is this way. Eh? Zinalafuka. Yeah, this is it is a female. And this is a male. Do you see? Zakaria, Brownie. I think you know me very well. Zakaria, greeting. 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 Salimia. Salimia. Greeting. Zakaria, salimia mimi. Zakaria. Salimia. Zakaria, salimia. Salimia. Ukisikia kusalimia unafanya hivi. Salimia. Yeah. The cat is doing good, man. I'm just upgrading. Do you see? Eh? Yeah. Cat zinaendelea vizuri. Many people they ask me and reach me on my WhatsApp. Just ask me what is the problem with the cats. Why I will never shoot the video of the cats. Many cats they are just saying that on my WhatsApp. I have someone just say on my WhatsApp. Let me show you. This is my screen. Do you see my WhatsApp there? Just a display there. My WhatsApp always 24 hours. Always 24 hours. Yeah. And this is my machine here. This is my laptop here. That is my WhatsApp there. Yeah. Don't worry with my house. Usijali kwa nyumba yangu. Na for hiyo ni unde something kitu inaitwa the beats. Kuna software fulani nilikuwa nimedownload. Kuna software fulani nilikuwa nimedownload ndio nafaa hiyo sasa. Kwa hiyo nilikuwa nini? I was like checking the billing system. I was just checking like the billing system. Now this company I was asking him how the payments let it. Nilikuwa nauliza how the payments. What is wrong with my PC? Because I need to start like the company Wi-Fi. Hey, I need to start like the business. Hey, what is wrong with this machine? Refuse to join. Let me show you the message, how I just responded. This said, let me even hear the message, how we just say it. The company is calling something like this. I am not advertised with this company. I'm just trying to show you. This company, they are just telling me, you can just pay, the customer can just pay with my pay bill of my bank. How? That is possible. And my pay bill on my bank, she don't have the gateway. How? Let me hear the voice of this company, how he's calling. Wait a minute. I was like researching. And this company, they just say they are selling
Centipedbilling.com.
Centipede building. How they are calling that. And let me even open that Sesibin. I will start like to try to open it. That's why I can just have like many. Let me log in. Wait a minute, I log in. Wait a minute, I log in here. I just log in. Let me apply it. Wait a minute. Let me show you on my screen. That's the screen, the safety bin billing system. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. That's why I can just show you how this thing, how I was like chatting with him on my WhatsApp. I think you can just see. This is the message. This is the message I was like responding to this one. I was asking him some few questions. This is the messages of yesterday. This one, all of it. And this is, let me bring it. Let me bring it here. That's so you can just see the screen. This is the how the software inside look like this way. Manzi, this software is just good. I think you can just start like the where is my packages. I was like trying to create the packages monthly PPOE. Do you see? Na nikaona hii kitu is very fine. It's doing fine. No, even if you see here, even to link up on the MikroTik, you see here, you can just link up because you can just take. Do you see? I never. No, kitu ya kwanza kile nimegundua, kile nimeshindwa na hii kampuni ya billing system ya hii wifi. Kuna kitu moja hapo nimeshindwa. Hii mambo ya pay bill, buy goods, hii buy goods something, hii ya kubuy goods. Hiyo niyo nimeshindwa because nimeshindwa ni aje. hiyo kuhakiwa ni very easy. That hii building system, if someone like a hacker, you can just hack on your bucket list. Yeah, anaweza aina secured. Let me check the best one, building system on ChatGPT. Best building system. Tell me the best software for building system. Wait a minute.
Good question. It depends a lot on what you mean by building system. Do you mean 1, building design, architecture, i.e. construction, BIM, 2, software system, i.e. building a software application, 3, building automation, smart building systems? I'll cover top software for each. You tell me which one you meant, or I can focus on one. #1, if you meant building design,
Internet services.
These are top tools used in architecture, engineering, and construction. Autodesk Revit, industry standard for BIM, excellent for architecture, structure, MEP. Ian.wikipedia.org. Graphisoft ArchiCAD, very good for design-focused workflows, supports OpenBIM. BIMheroes.com. Techless Structures, strong for structural engineering, especially steel and concrete detailing. Ian.wikipedia.org. FreeCAD, free, open source. Good. Great. When you say software system, meaning building a software application, one of the most important pieces is the build system, also called a build tool or build automation tool. The choice depends a lot on what language you're using, how big, complex your project is, and whether you're optimizing for speed, reproducibility, or simplicity. Here are some of the best and most commonly used build systems, plus recommendations depending on use case. Top build systems to consider. 1, Gradle, very popular for Java, Kotlin, Android. Uses a DSL, Groovy, or Kotlin, which makes build scripts more expressive than XML, used by older tools. Geeksforgeeks.org supports incremental builds and parallel execution, which helps speed. Geeksforgeeks.org, good dependency management, and it integrates well with modern CI/CD. 2, Maven, also for Java and related ecosystems. Bro, unaweza nielezea kidogo unamaanisha nini kwa ISP hapa? Kwa sababu ISP inaweza kumaanisha vitu tofauti kutegemea muktadha. Internet Service Provider, kampuni inayokupatia huduma ya interneti, kama Safaricom, Zuku, Fiber, Airtel Kenya. Do ISP, Instruction Set Processor, kwenye masuala ya au uhandisi wa programu, inahusiana na CPU architecture. 3, ISSR, teknolojia inayotumika kwenye kamera au simu kuboresha picha. Unaongelea ISP ya interneti au unamaanisha kitu kingine kama ISP ya computer software?
Yeah, I'm very fine. I'm doing fine. Fine. Sake tenencheni. Alafu walai. Unadaishaje? Mavijiko technician ISP. So that is the company have it. Chitaje? Wavecom. Wanajiita Wavecom. 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 Chatuone wanajiita ya tuingie. Wanasema hapa wako na many things. I said even the CPUs. Sina range ya 15. Ati do not shit do you do it. I do not what? Ati do not. Ati hey, I'm not that man.
Do you know how to hack?
Do you know how to hack? No, I don't know it, man. I don't know it, man. I don't know it, man. I'm just learning some few how I will build in my company. How I will build in my company. How I will build in my company. Yeah, yeah, of my internet. Hmm? I have a 100 Mbps, 1 gigabyte, 1 gigabyte on my hometown, and I'm living timber house. Do you want to see the speed of internet? I have it. I have a 1 gigabyte, 1 gigabyte, 1 gigabyte, 1 gigabyte of my hometown internet. Speed test. Let me show you the internet. I have it. The internet, I can just sell it. That's why I'm just saying it. That's why I'm just like saying I can just sell it even. I'm just learning how building my software building system. Nataka kujua vile naweza build my building system because I'm just internet just say you can just build in your system. Building system. Naweza kuunda building system yangu. Kwa hivyo hii kitu ni rahisi. You can just make it. Na naweza kujiundia building system yangu. Acha kwanza niulize ChatGPT. Niulize ChatGPT ni which software. Niulize which software to build which software to build in the software of the ISP billing system, how to control all my customers. Let me even my internet manzi. ChatGPT nimeuliza hivi. Acha nataka ni building my CP. Mtu ananiuliza kwani mimi hapa. The software. Nataka kujua kuna software ingine inajiita, hiyo ni ya US. Hiyo unaweza building system yao. Wanasema unaweza create account na ni payment zao ziko juu. Basi no sana ele alusini. ChatGPT inaniambia naweza kucopy na ni building system. I was like doing my research. I can just build in my building system manzi. Yeah, like control the ISP. I told you many times I have 100 Mbps on my hometown. 1 gigabyte. 1 gigabyte. 1 gigabyte. Let me show you the speed Niko na 1 gigabyte. .com. Tipo ni wadi. Woi manze, simuleta kazi bana. Nimeuliza maswali wakakataa kunijibu. Sasa I think I will build my software very soon. ChatGPT imeniambia naweza kubuild my software kwa hii kampuni ya ChatGPT is everything. Just told you ChatGPT can just tell you anything, manzi. If you pay like these packages, we are saying we pay the packages. If you pay the package, manzi, ChatGPT will tell anything, kila kitu. If you want to make like a video with the AI, unaweza ku make videos with the AI, kila kitu. Editing videos or viewers with the AI. Kila kitu. AI is everything. I think AI is everything.
Sasa nimekuelewa vizuri. Unamaanisha kujenga software ya ISP, Internet Service Provider, yaani mfumo ambao unaweza kusimamia wateja wako, malipo, connection control na Internet Access Management, sawa? Hapo unahitaji kitu kinaitwa ISP Management System au ISP Billing and Control System. Nitakueleza kwa urahisi hatua kwa hatua. 1. Kitu unahitaji kujenga, system components. ISP system kawaida inakuwa na modules hizi. 1. Customer Management, CRM. Huhifadhi details za wateja, majina, namba, location, package na status yao. 2. Billing System. Kutengeneza invoices, kufuatilia malipo, M-Pesa, bank, cash, etc. Network Control. Kudhibiti nani ana internet, speed ya kila mteja na kusimamisha huduma automatically akishindwa kulipa. 4. Ticketing Support System. Kusaidia complaints au technical issues. 5. Reports and Dashboard. Kuona performance, traffic, mapato na usage kwa urahisi. Software ready made. Zile unaweza kutumia moja kwa moja. Kama hutaki kujenga from scratch, hizi ni software bora za ISP Control. Software inafanya nini? Maelezo. Splink's full ISP billing and network management. Inafanya kazi na MikroTik routers. Ina support M-Pesa integration. UCRM by Ubiquiti. Free system ya customer billings control. Bora sana kwa small to mid-size ISP. Acha usikie. Nauliza, I need to make that software. Control my software. Please, just tell me how I will create it. Nauliza tu maswali, inaniambia tu. If you pay like the ChatGPT, the information ChatGPT premium manze, inakwambia kila kitu. Kwa hivyo hata si lazima ulipe ChatGPT ikushow kila kitu. Nakwambia ChatGPT is everything. ChatGPT is everything manze. Kila kitu ni ChatGPT. ChatGPT is everything. See, angalia. Let me show you on my screen here. How imeniambia, cheki. See, let me show you. See, I told you. See, the ChatGPT, if you explain it very well, the ChatGPT will tell you how will building the software. How will building the software, manzi. ChatGPT inakuambia kila kitu, how to building the software. Kwa hivyo ChatGPT inasemanga kila kitu kweli. I think ChatGPT is good for using purposes things. You can just I can just create it the website
and market it manze, and market it manze. Kwa hivyo I can just build that software. Naweza kubuild hiyo software na watu wakuwa wanatumia, because unaona hapa inaniambia ni prompt sijui nini.
Nzuri, nitakuambia hatua kwa hatua jinsi ya kujenga mfumo wa ISP Management and Control System utakaofanya vitu kama kusimamia wateja, kuhesabu malipo pesa na kudhibiti routers, radius ili kumweza kuzuia mtumiaji automaticamente. Nitakuonyesha architecture, tech stack, database schema, REST API endpoints muhimu, snippets of code, integrations of
ChatGPT, if you pay like the premium ChatGPT, will tell you everything because imenionyesha the software ni which website can I just use to create it manze, kila kitu. Kwa hivyo naweza kucreate hiyo poto na niuzia watu wakuwa natumia management ya hiyo poto. So unaona kitu rahisi, siku lazima ushinde nikitumia poto ya mtu na nitakuwa na ripa, na ni kitu naweza kujiundia. I can just make it on myself. I just see it like this. Nimejionea hii kitu hapa kwa ChatGPT. ChatGPT is good manze. ChatGPT can just tell you anything. Ati what? ChatGPT inakuambia kila kitu. Kwa hivyo naweza kuunda kila kitu. Natumia 100 Mbps.
What about Google and Siri?
Google and Siri. Google haiwezi kukuambia the mostly things. ChatGPT niyo the best mazi. ChatGPT niyo inakwambia kila kitu. If you pay like the premium, kilipia premium inakwambia kila kitu, all the answers.
Nzuri, nitakuambia hatua kwa hatua jinsi ya kujenga mfumo wa ISP Management and Control System utakaofanya vitu kama kusimamia wateja, kuhesabu malipo pesa na kudhibiti routers, radius ili kumweza kuzuia mtumiaji automaticamente. Nitakuonyesha architecture, tech stack, database schema, REST API endpoints muhimu, snippets of code, integrations za M-Pesa na MikroTik, deployment, Docker na usalama plus testing. Nitafuata njia ambayo wengi wa wadogo wa katikati nchini Kenya hufanya. MikroTik M-Pesa ni common. Ninaweka pia marejeleo muhimu ya API README. Developer.safaricom. Number 1. Muhtasari wa architecture high level. Client UI, web dashboard, admin na portal kwa mteja, React View. API backend, REST API, Node.js Express, Python Django. Inasimamia logic, billing, webhooks. Database, Postgres, MySQL kwa data za wateja, invoices, logs. Auth and Radius, Free Radius, Alvios kwa authentication. Router OS API kwa kudhibiti MikroTik, kuongeza PPP secrets, hotspot users queues. Payments, Safaricom Daraja, M-Pesa callbacks, webhooks za C2B, STK push. Developer.safaricom.co.ke. Optional, Redis for caching, job queue, Bullen queue, object storage S3, monitoring, Prometheus, Grafana. Number 2, technology nilipendekeza.
Hey.
Backend Node.js Express, rahisi kwanza. DB Postgres, router API lib, router of Node router. GitHub Radius, authentication. Container.
Wait a minute, I show you something.
GitHub Actions. Number 3, model.
Hey. Tajuka.
Naona ke kule takwira na tukaigethĩ
Mũting'o wake tarĩ kĩrĩa
ile tiguo ndĩrakwĩra
nĩwĩgonyagonyete.
ĩni
Mũting'o ũcio nĩwĩgonyagonyete.
ndekĩrĩ ndonania mũting'o wa mũthemba ta ũcio harĩ kĩndũ ta ũrĩa gaikara gakĩgurumũki.
Kĩgunyũ gĩkĩ nĩ Mutina, 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 Mutina. Let me back. Nimemaliza kuona ile nilikuwa nataka kuona. Sasa mnaniuliza ati nawaambia na create the photo. Manze. Na ChatGPT. Hakuna mambo ingine na hiyo ni lazima nimalize leo. Hiyo nimemwambia ni lazima ni create hiyo. I'm just using Kwai 11 manzi. 11 generation. Ndio natumia.
Number 14. Next practical steps I suggest you do right now. Chagwa tech stack, Tunakabali, Node.js plus Postgres. 2. Tunga repo, backend, frontend, infra, Docker Compose. 3. Set up Draja Sandbox account, developer.safaricom.ke and get sandbox keys. Developer.safaricom.co.ke 4. Set up MikroTik Lab, router accessible from backend. 4. Implement payment callback, then implement add MikroTik hotspot user and test. Nifanye nini sasa? Ninaweza kufanya mojawapo ya hizi sasa mara moja, icho chaguo moja. A. Kuandika skeleton repo, Node.js, Express, Postgres, sample M-Pesa WebAptic add user function, na kukupa code ready to run, Docker. B. Kutoa file ya Docker Compose, readme na scripts za deployment. C. Kutoa checklist ya hatua za kupata daraja credentials, na kujiandikisha sandbox production. Niambie uchague A, B, au C, nitakuandalia kitu kamili sasa.
Acha niulize ati this ChatGPT you can just download it. Yeah, you can just download it and use it and pay the auction manze. You can just pay the auction or the free auction manze. Iko mzuri. Na ChatGPT inanielezea mambo mingi zile sikufunzwa hata kwa shule. Aha. Which website to create that portal of billing system? Oh, do you see? Even ChatGPT imenitolea the portal of that building system. Sasa naweza kubuild my building system on this platform imenitolea all the details. I have it right now. I can just build in my building system manzi.
Sawa bro. Unamaanisha unataka kujenga website kwa hiyo BLM system, ISP control system yako ndio? BLM hapa naelewa ni Billing and Login Management au Broadband Line Management System kama ISP portal ya wateja na admin. Nitakuonyesha moja kwa moja mahali na jinsi ya kuunda portal hiyo, ama kwa kutumia platforms za web hosting au kujenga yako mwenyewe, custom site. Ikiwa unataka kujenga portal yako mwenyewe, hii ndiyo njia ya kitaalamu, unapata full control. Websites, platforms za kujenga custom portal 1, render.com hosting ya bure kwa mwanzo ya web apps za Node.js, PyPHP. Bora kwa kuhost backend yako API plus database. Ina support PostgreSQL moja kwa moja. 2. Versal.com, bora kwa frontend yako React, Next.js, Vue. Fast, free tier, na rahisi kudeploy portal ya admin and customers. 3. Netlife.com, pia nzuri kwa React Vue web dashboards. Rahisi kutumia inakupea domain ya bure, blmsystem.netlifi.app. 4. Railway.app, inaruhusu backend plus database in one place. Node, Postgres, etc. Perfect kama unataka kujaribu system zima ya ISP portal bila kutumia pesa. DigitalOcean app platform. Production level hosting very stable, inafaa kwa biashara. Unapata droplet server ambapo unaweza kurun backend yako, database na frontend kwa domain yako mwenyewe. Na shabdu, ikiwa unataka kujenga haraka bila coding kubwa, hii ni njia ya no code, lakini haina full control juu ya network control MikroTik API. Inafaa kwa customer dashboard only, si kwa router control. Bubble.io, unaweza kujenga web app full login payment dashboard. AppJiver, web plus mobile app builder. Adala, nzuri kama unataka pia mobile portal. Lakini kama unataka router control, automation, payments, blocking, unahitaji custom coded backend, Node.js, Python au PHP kwenye hosting ya Render, Railway au DigitalOcean. Number 3. Recommended structure for your BLM system portal, component, technology, hosting. Frontend, customer plus admin portal. React.js, Next.js, Vercel or Netlify. Backend API plus router control and piece of webhook, Node.js, Express, Render or Railway. Database, PostgreSQL, hosted on Railway Render. Domain, Namecheap, GoDaddy, e.g. your he, custom domain connected to hosting. Hack example setup, best balance. Frontend, React Tailwind, host on Vercel. Backend, Node.js API, host on Railway.app. Database, PostgreSQL, Railway built-in DB. Router control, MikroTik API, runs inside backend. Payment, M-Pesa Daraja webhook, registered by a Safaricom developed portal. Domain, blm.ursp.ke from Namecheap or TrueHost Kenya. Step-by-step code Mwanzo. 1. Fungua account has Vercel.com. Please open your app to see this link. Frontend, flash, railway.app. Please open your app to see this link. Backend, DB. 2. Create new project kwenye Railway. Deploy from GitHub, Node.js backend. 3. Ongeza database, Postgres ndani ya Railway. On Vercel, connect frontend Re5. Connect domain yako, blm.ursp.ga. 6. Register M-Pesa Daraja webhook for payments. 7. Test with your MikroTik router connection. Nikupe mfano wa website portal design. Frontend structure plus logins dashboard. Ya hiyo BLM system. Naniambia unataka kaiwe admin only au pia iwe na customer login portal. Mteja aone status yake, payments, expiry.
demo.
Yes, Vercel is an excellent platform for building and hosting your ISP, Internet Service Provider Management System, especially if you want a modern, fast, and scalable web app. Here's how you can use Vercel to create your BLM system, billing, login, management system. Step-by-step guide to build your ISP portal on Vercel. 1. Set up your development environment. You'll need a computer with Node.js installed, a code editor like Visual Studio Code. Please open your app to see this link. A GitHub account. Vercel connects easily with GitHub. 2. Choose a web framework. Vercel works best with Next.js recommended, or React, Vue, or Svelte. For an ISP portal, Next.js is the best option because it supports server-side rendering, fast performance, built-in API routes for login, billing, customers, easy deployment to Vercel in one click. 3. Design your system features. Your ISP portal BLM system should include admin dashboard, see all customers, payments, bandwidth usage, billing system, integrate with M-Pesa API, PayPal, or bank payments. Customer login system, allow customers to check their data usage and bills. Network control system, optional. Connect to routers using MikroTik API or similar. Or deploy to Vercel. After building your project, 1. Push your project to GitHub. 2. Go to htshvercel.com. Please open your app to see this link. 3. Click New Project, import from GitHub. 4. Select your repository and deploy. 5. Vercel gives you a live URL like you can see the code in our conversation history. Add a database use. PlanetScale, MySQL, Supabase, PostgreSQL, Auth Storage, or Firebase for real-time control plus authentication. 6. Optional integrations. M-Pesa API for payments, email SMS alerts, Twilio, SendGrid, router API like MikroTik, Ubiquiti. If you want, I can generate the full base code, Next.js plus Supabase and M-Pesa billing structure to get you started. Would you like me to create that base code for you?